Hi, this is Margaret from Six Figure Blueprint. Today I want to give you a step-by-step layout of your 2-hour workday. Fine. The first 30 minutes, you are going to copy and paste your ads on your high trafficking websites. That's your first 30 minutes. Your second 30 minutes is you are going to respond to all the questions in your emails, on your comments, to the people who ask questions, and you're going to give them more information. This 1 hour. Your second hour, you're going to create 3 pieces of content every day, and then you post it on all your social media platforms. But before you do that, go into your analytics and check which of the content perform the best and try to make similar content. Because these platforms will tell you which comment perform best. And that is how you do your 2-hour workday. Thank you.